इस रेसिपी को उर्दू में देखने के लिए डिस्क्रिप्शन में मौजूद लिंक को क्लिक करें। अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू Asma's kitchen. I am Asma. Today I am going to share a really delicious recipe of fruit trifle. Give this recipe a try and let me know your feedback. And for your assistance, there's recipe card in the end of the video. Right, let's get started with the recipe of fruit trifle. You will need strawberry jelly 1 packet and banana jelly 1 packet. You will get recipe of both jelly in description. Milk 2 liter. Caramel sauce, you can get its recipe in description as well. Apple juice 1 cup. Sugar 1 cup. Fruit cocktail 1 tin of 836 grams. Strawberry custard 4 tablespoon. Cream 1 cup. Banana custard 4 tablespoon. Walnuts half cup chopped. And vanilla cake. Firstly, I am going to make custard. For this I have to boil milk and it is 1 liter milk. It is boiling. Now add 8 tablespoons of sugar. And mix it until sugar get completely dissolved in milk. Now add quarter cup of water in strawberry custard and mix it really well. Then add this into boiling milk and keep stirring until you get thick pouring consistency. Then remove from heat and let it cool. Likewise, I am going to make second custard using banana custard powder, and I am using rest of a liter milk and same 8 tablespoons of sugar. Mix it really well. Now add quarter cup of water in banana custard and mix it really well so there will be no lumps at all. Then add this into boiling milk and keep stirring until you get thick pouring consistency. Then remove from heat and let it cool. Now cut vanilla cake into small cubes. Firstly you have to slice it, then make small cubes. Now in this big serving mug, I am assembling first layer of cake. Then add 4 to 5 tablespoons of apple juice. Then layer of fruits. Now make small cubes of strawberry jelly. Then make layer of strawberry jelly. Then layer of banana jelly. I kept it a bit runny because it will going to look beautiful from outside of mug. Then I will add layer of strawberry custard. Then layer of caramel sauce. Now banana custard. Break the surface of custard. Then make layer. Now add layer of chopped walnuts. Then layer of whipped cream. And in last, add some sprinkles over it. That's it. But this was the first serving of this trifle. I will share another serving of this trifle as well. For this serving, you have to take transparent bowl and make layer of cubed vanilla cake. Then add half cup of apple juice all over the cake and make layer of mixed fruits. Then add layer of caramel sauce. Then layer of banana custard. Then layer of chopped walnuts. Then layer of cream. Now a layer of banana jelly, then layer of strawberry custard, and last decorate trifle with fruits. Strawberry jelly, and whipped cream. That's it. So this was the second serving of this fruit trifle. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Subscribe, like, share and look me on Instagram and Facebook, and don't forget to comment below. See you soon. Thank you so much for watching.